Hi, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will tell you about myself. Please subscribe to the channel now if you haven't subscribed before starting the video. Hey everyone, it's Alex here. After a long day at school, I finally got home. The first thing I do is drop my school bag in my room and change into something comfortable. School uniforms are great, but nothing beats cozy clothes at home. After changing, I feel much more relaxed. Next, I head to the kitchen for a quick snack. Today, I'm having a sandwich and some juice. It's my favorite part of the afternoon. After eating, it's time to unwind. I sit on the couch and watch my favorite comedy show. Laughter is the best way to recharge after a busy day. I also spend some time checking my phone. I scroll through social media, reply to messages, and watch a few short videos. It's fun to see what my friends are up to. After relaxing, I sit down to do my homework. I know it's important to complete it before the evening so I can enjoy the rest of my night stress-free. Once my homework is done, I spend some time on my hobbies. I love playing video games or reading a good book. It helps me relax and have fun. In the evening, I sit with my family. We chat about our day, sometimes play a board game, or just enjoy dinner together. It's a special time for all of us. After a relaxing evening, I start getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth, prepare my school bag for the next day, and plan what I want to accomplish tomorrow. That's my day, a mix of school, relaxation, and family time. What does your day look like? Share in the comments. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you next time